Good morning, it's Sunday morning and I've decided to show a video of a few of my 1990s mountain bikes. So what have we got? First on the list is a Specialized rock hopper. I think it's about 1988 or something like that. Had it for 30 years, something like that, since 1992, so I guess that's 30 years. Most of the original equipment on it, a few knocks and scratches. It's been well used. Next, Marin Bobcat Trail, about 1995 I think, in absolutely pristine condition, but I guess not terribly exciting bike in terms of equipment. Next is one of my favourites, the Kona Cinder Cone, Joe Murray, I don't know, about 1990 I guess. Got all the Sun Tour kit on it, so very nice. Joe Murray, I think original front tyre at least, maybe back tyre as well. No, original front tyre, but nice original shifters. I need to restore that stem, not looking good, but there we go. And not the original seat, but a Kona seat. Next, another Kona, nice Fire Mountain, again not sure, maybe 1993, something like that. Not sure how original it is either, but rides very nicely. I put a new set of bars and shifters on because the old ones were not great. Next, one of the metal matrix frame M2 Specialized stump jumpers. Who knows, 1995 maybe. I've got some nice XT brakes that I'm wanting to put on that, but as you can see, it's needs a bit more restoration at the moment. Next up, Marin Muirwoods. Picked this one up as a rusty old barn find, but I think it's got all the original kit on it, and will look nice once restored. Next, a good old Saracen tang frame, all the original parts and pieces, X-Age LX 500 boot set, and the good old Biopace chain set. So very nice, rides very nicely, nice colour. Next, another Saracen, but I'm not quite sure what that frame is. It doesn't seem to have any decals on it, so not quite sure. Got these horrible things called Max shocks on the front, which are bottomed out, but nice looking frame. Anyone got any ideas? Next, good old Saracen Rough Tracks in great nick. Someone wanted to give this away. I gave them a £5 in the end. Couldn't. It's in great nick. The paint on Saracen seems to be amazing. Nothing seems to damage it. So there we go. Must be about mid-90s again. And then I've got two of my specials. A M4 stump jumper, which I've kind of resto modded, I guess. What have we got? I've got some hydraulic brakes on it, XT shifters, XT crankset, XT rear derailleur. Nice looking bike. And finally, just picked this one up, GT Zascar 2000 race. Again with lots of nice original bits like the stem, syncross stem, very nice hinge arrangement on the stem, syncross bars, which I guess are original, LX shifters, again original. Not sure about the brakes. I think I might put some hydraulics on it and a good old XTR shifter as well. So there we go. How many bikes is that? GT 1, Specialized 2, Saracen 3, Saracen 4, Saracen 5, Marin 6, another stump jumper 7, Kona 8, Kona 9, Marin 10, and my good old rock hopper that started the whole ball rolling when I got it in 1992. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.